I am back with a vengeance. I am back with a vengeance. So today, after all this time, what am I going to bring to you? I'm going to bring to you an omelette. Hi guys and welcome. This is JB Rose, singing vegan mum, and I'm sorry you haven't seen me for a very long time, and there's a good reason for it. If you follow me on my socials, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, you would already know that my dad passed away about 5-6 weeks ago. It was very sad, and that's the reason why you haven't seen me. As you know, I'm very close with my dad. I'm always posting him up here on YouTube. He was my inspiration, along with my mum, to create this YouTube site offering healthier vegan options. You don't even need to be a vegan, actually, offering healthy options. I love cooking. My mum taught me cooking. I love cooking Jamaican food. I love cooking Caribbean food. I love baking. But when my parents both got diabetes, I wanted to find alternatives to the sugar and the processed foods that they were eating. So that's why I set up this channel. And if you look back on some of my old videos, you will even see my dad starring in a few of the videos. Now, before I carry on, don't forget to like and subscribe. I am back with a vengeance. I am back with a vengeance. I'm going to continue to offer healthy lifestyle options here on this channel. Healthy cakes, healthy foods. I'll be encouraging you to drink more water, eat more fruit, eat more vegetables. Why are we here? To live our best lives. So today, after all this time, what am I going to bring to you? I'm going to bring to you an omelette. So I made an omelette. I didn't use this egg replacer stuff that's out there because it's processed, whereas what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to make an omelette egg free. I'm going to be using chickpea flour, and the key ingredient to give it that eggy flavor is this thing called black salt. If you smell it, it smells like egg. It really does make your dishes taste like eggs. So let me show you how I made my omelette. I made it in 2 different ways. Let me show you.
So we've got onions, I've got some carrots, some red and yellow bell peppers. I've got some lovely coriander, and I've chopped some mushrooms up. So before I make my omelette, I'm going to gently fry my onions and mushrooms. Quite a lot already, but it will reduce. As you can see, guys, I'm cooking this through with a little bit of oil. I don't do lots of oil. I put some garlic powder in, and I've added in some seasoning as well. You can see it's already sort of reducing down. I've added in a little bit. I've added in some sea salt, some more black pepper. And it's reducing down nicely. Lots of smells, lots of beautiful flavours. I have some chickpea flour. I'm going to add a teaspoon of garlic powder. I've got a little bit of turmeric. I'd say a teaspoon of turmeric. And then be generous. I'd say 2 tablespoons of that. And the thing that's going to make this like an omelette is this black sea salt. This is what's going to make it taste eggy. And then let's just mix it all together. Lovely. You've got all your ingredients. Beautiful, lovely. Now I'm going to do is add in some plant milk, and then just by hand I'm just going to whisk it all together. It's the consistency like of a pancake, to be honest. Is that what that's what you need? You see that? How lovely is that? You see that texture? Add a little bit of soy sauce. Again, just to make sure we've got that flavour going on. And you can definitely smell that eggy taste from that salt, that black salt. And now I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to get these rings and I'm going to put them in the thing like that, because we're going to boil it. Here's our lovely mixture. And we're going to put our beautiful egg mixture at the bottom. There you go. Lovely. And then we're going to top it up with our lovely mushroom mixture. Like that. We're going to add our coriander on top. That's going to just cook through, and we're going to cover it. As you can see, our omelettes are looking very, very beautiful. And now I'm going to plate it up. I already have a plate here with some salad. I'm literally going to put that on top. And then let's see if it doesn't fail. Oh. Oh, is it coming out? Yes, it is. Oh, beautiful. Here is our lovely. Oh. A few more bits of thing and around. Oh. Just beautiful. Let's have a look again. Lovely egg omelette on a bit of tomato salad. Now, as you can see, we've got loads left. Now, waste not, want not, as my mother would say. So I've got a little bit of oil in the pan. And we're going to make a traditional omelette with this one, the rest. So this lovely mixture is going to go in here. This is the rest of our mushroom mixture. We're going to sprinkle everywhere. I'm going to get the rest of this stuff like that. And once again, we're going to leave that to cook through. To cover it, omelette. Here it is. Beautifully cooked. So I've left that cooking for at least 20 minutes. So it's really easy to cook up. And here it goes. Beautiful. So we've got omelette cooked two ways. One's fried and one has been cooked in a bain-marie. Son.
Yes, Mum.
Try my vegan omelette. You can eat it, just hold it like a slice, like a pizza if you like.
Okay, yes,
Mmm.
Mum. It's very good, Mum.
Is it nice?
Yes, Mum.
Not just saying it because I got a camera.
I'm not saying it for the camera.
Yay, Mr. Del Monte. He say yes. The boy says yes. Look, I sliced it up. Now this would be great for a buffet. You could cut that up into slices just like that.
I'm going to be looking at lifestyle. I'm going to be looking at singing and mantras, changing our mindsets. I'm going to be encouraging you to drink lots of water, lots of vegetables, lots of fruit. We need fiber. We need nutrients to be healthy. Let's change our mindset. Let's achieve our goals. So let's look at things from a glass half full perspective rather than a glass half empty perspective. I'm back with a vengeance. I'm happy to be back. I will see you really soon. Now, normally I end my videos with, for healthy vegan options, I'm your girl, I'm your girl. I'm not going to do that now. I've changed him. Now, my dad used to come in the house or pass through and go, listen, we're passing through the earth. We've only got one life. He would always say that, go passing through the earth. He'd come and visit and he'd go, I'm passing through the earth, which means that we're just passing through. We're not stopping. So why don't we make it the best we can? So I'm going to end every video now with, we're passing through this earth. Let's do it the best way we can. I will see you next time. Watch your portion sizes as well, so not too much big dinner.